What's up, kids? I'm going on a little field trip, going to Harbor Freight, and gonna do some air compressor shopping, and then I'm gonna stop at Home Depot and kind of do the same thing. I've got my eye on a couple of them, so don't know if we're gonna bring you along for any of the stuff inside. It'll depend, but then we're gonna do some stuff out the shop. Stick around. All right, it's pretty busy, so I'm not going to bring you in because it's hard to keep the other customers out of the camera. So I'll let you know what I come up with when I come back out. See you in a bit. All right, me and we're done in there. There was a lot of people. Didn't realize it was free tool weekend if you spend $40 for Inside Club Track members. It's still Sunday apparently. This video will be out long after the sale's over, but 3 torque wrench. That's what I picked. Now I think we have 4 or 5 torque wrenches. Maybe we should be good now. They said there was a 1/4 inch one, but I didn't think that was enough. That was a good idea, so I didn't, because I thought I'd break it. But now I'm gonna head home. Peyton was eating lunch, so that's why she didn't come along. I feel bad that they stopped making the Charger, because it's just the thing. It's just awesome. If anybody's got an extra 66 Dodge Charger laying around, automatic or 4-speed, I don't care. If you want to send it, I wouldn't mind one. It's the car I've always wanted that I can never afford, or every time I've found one I can't afford, I don't have the dough because I've got it wrapped up in something else. Anyway, we're gonna head home, and we'll pick up a Big Red or 7 on the way home, and then we'll get out in the shop and do something. Update from yesterday. I went to Harbor Freight yesterday, and it was a free tool weekend, right? That was fun. So I did get me some free tools, which, let's face it, was awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of show you what I picked up, and then we're just going to give you a little couple of ideas I've got going around for some more shop stuff, but just hold on a second. Okay, this has nothing to do with Harbor Freight, but now you all saw my welding gloves are a little bit beat up, right? So I just ordered me some new ones from Amazon. These were inexpensive. I don't know, they're like $11 or something. So pick these up. We're going to start using those here soon. All right, now it was if you spend $40 or $40, and I'm a Inside Track Club member. I gotta get my shop here. You know, I wish they'd just give these away. Right here. See, come on. They're awesome. Anyway, so I went there with no intention of actually finding anything I needed or wanted. I was just like, oh, maybe I'll just blow some money. But anyway, no, I did find something, and mainly because the Foreman's got a nice palm sander, orbital sander, and I just didn't really want to, do this dirty stuff with that one, because it's actually pretty darn nice. So I picked this up. It was on sale for $29.99. Little 5-inch, it's got the thing. Item number, hey, it comes with the disc. Item number 1712EB. The 5-inch palm sander from Bauer. It's got nice buttons right there. It's got speed adjustment on the side from 1 to max. Nobody knows how fast that is. No one. And it has this nice hard dust collection. We picked up that and using that box for something cool, I bet. Anyway, so there was that. That was $29.99. And then I thought, hey, I'm getting a sander. Got some discs, because you know we gotta sand some paint off before we do some welding on Plan B. I realized I was out of self-tapper. Self-tapper. 200 piece. All the way up to number 8 1-inch. I typically don't need much more than that. You know, I'm not self-tapping things that's gonna hold the bridge together. And then I did pick up another one of these just because they are just so nice. You know, plus that way Peyton and I will each have one. When she comes back up, since she's just kind of taking that break we talked about. And then the free tool I picked. I know I showed you in the car, or I said it in the car. Something about the car and this thing. You guys remember? Do you remember? I don't remember. So now, don't worry about that. We'll get it later. We picked up a 3/8 torque wrench, click type torque wrench. This is just for when we're not, you know, needing to go nuts with it. But typically it'll probably stay in the case most of the time because we have others, which is cool. Oh, by the way, I'm out of these. Good thing I got 2 more over there, but run low. I tell you, I know that we work together, but still, these are fantastic. That's it. It's fine. It's fine. So what I did, because I was getting a little bit frustrated with, oh, that's got oil on it now. I was getting a little frustrated with the way I had my wrenches. Just for today, I'm trying this. Thought I'd show you just for a moment. Now, you know, I had those holders. I had 4 of them, but what I decided to do is I decided to do my standard here, metric there. These are my triplicates because I have 2 of everything. Got, you know, so right. But now remember, hey, watch. I'm gonna close this. We're gonna open this guy. Now, what? See how much that's wiggling? Okay, watch. Watch right here. I'm hardly touching it with this drawer because it's only got the 1 slide. If this had 2 slides, psh, we wouldn't even be thinking about it. So there's that. So that's what I kind of had going on, and then I just cleaned up the mess. Because let's face it, this is a mess all the time. Because I do these things and then I'm like, I'm going in the house. But today is not one of those days. Today happens to be. But the other thing I want to do, or thinking about doing, I think, you know, I want your opinions. You know, I mean, you know, sometimes you guys, you know, we put funny stuff down in the thing. Let's face it, this is not a serious type of channel, because if it were, I don't think I'd want to be on it. All right, so now this is just kind of a mock-up of what I'm thinking, because you know I've got the hooks and magnetic stuff. What I was thinking is I've got this pegboard already. Yeah, it's press board, you know, it's nothing special, but of course I can paint it black if I want to, and you know, I can cut it off at any length. So I was thinking, you know, right just maybe above that, right at that shelf where I have it, because I really like where that shelf is anyway. So, you know, maybe somewhere in here. And then I've got hooks that I can put the stuff on, and it'll be out here instead of on the sides where I'm bumping into it, things, you know. Because I think that would be okay. But let me, on the thing, guys, you know, I mean. And now let's not forget, we still have stuff with Plan B. You can see it over there. doing Plan B things, which I don't know what that is. Do you? I'm also trying out. These are more like tennis shoes, but they're puncture resistant or proof with steel toes. Because I don't like to wear the boots out here, and they're very light. So I'm gonna be trying these out too. I got these on Amazon, and I'm gonna try them because why not? I got them for like $30 or something. I mean, not a lot of money. And let's face it, how can you put price on your feet? Oh, I did for a couple years, 20. Anyway, that's coming up too. Actually, it's either coming up or it's past, depending on when you're watching this, if you're watching it at all. But if you're not watching it, I guess you wouldn't be hearing me say if you're watching it. Yeah. Okay, so clean up that stuff. I show you the couple of things that I picked up. Peyton really wants to come back out here, but she needed a break. She said that the every day was just too much, and she got kind of the point where she didn't want to come out here because we were at the point in projects where nothing was happening. We were doing stuff with Clyde, and you could see, oh yeah, we changed the grill, we changed the headlights, we changed the air filter, air cleaner, we got it running, and so these were big chunks of things. This is just a big chunk of thing, I mean, we're just trying to figure out, we gonna chop it, what's this door gonna be like, are we cutting it off, are we making a roadster, are we building the top? I mean, are we pulling this out and put a modern setup in here and maybe leave the brakes, or maybe replace all of that, and just gut the whole thing? That's where we're at. Or do we just chuck this thing outside, bring that roadster in here and start from fresh, over, beginning. Yeah, the beginning. And so she was just getting to get frustrated with that she wasn't seeing any progress. Well, I was telling her, look, there's progress all over the place. It's just that, Plus, I got to figure out if the biggest problem with this hood. Remember when we were talking about the hood when we did that? Here's the biggest problem: 3031, it's taller. The 2829 is literally like here. Okay. Now I've got another grill shell out there. Over there. But then I'd have to get a different radiator, and we all know how much radiators cost. All the money, that's right. So, that's part of the thing. And then, of course I did these radiator supports out of just this 1/2 by 1/2 or doing that I had. Because I wanted to see if it would work. And so far, I mean, it's doing its thing, I mean, of course it does, wiggle the whole car, which, hey, that's kind of awesome, right? So, I know I didn't really show you a whole lot here, but also we are coming up on our 1-year anniversary at the YouTubes of the channel. We're going to be having a live for that. And I'm going to tell you right now, the giveaway items, there's going to be 3. And they are all going to be these, provided they're in stock. Other than that, I'm going to get the job ones, which are also incredibly good. But I'm hoping to do 3 of these. We have no idea how we're going to give them away yet. But, we'll probably give away some stickers too. Maybe I'll make a 1-year anniversary celebration or something. But anyway, yep, we're gonna give away 3 of these, and maybe I'll see if one of the old sponsors might want to throw something in. Kind of like we did in the last one with the greedies. Anyway, that's where we're at right now. All from the last live, everything's gone out. It's all out. It's kind of gonna be staggered because I had to find bigger envelopes and I had to box. You know what I mean? So it's going. So, they will be arriving soon. I'm sure you probably already gotten your stickers by now, and hopefully you've gotten your packages too. But anyway, if you guys want to see something, if you have a suggestion on this turd, that turd over there, leave her alone. She doesn't want, no. No. It's fine. Right there. Okay, we might change the tires to, yes, okay. But that's not now, that's maybe later. We already did the 670s. We don't need to do those, well, we might. Those 760s sure would look good on there, wouldn't it? All the white balls and stuff. Now what am I doing with those? I have some 5 on 5.5 wheels chilling out in the snowbank. Out here. But that's another show. Anyway, kids, thanks for watching whatever it is that we do and whatever it is that you enjoy about us. Keep on wrenching. Have a great day.